today's unpredictable world, the question isn't just how fast you can move, but how adaptable you can be. What capabilities can adapt to whatever your business demands tomorrow? By embracing flexible manufacturing approaches and building robust risk mitigation strategies, manufacturers can transform uncertainty from a threat into a competitive advantage. The future belongs to those who can execute automation strategies that deliver immediate results while staying agile enough to evolve. At Eclipse Automation, we help you develop flexible automation solutions that don't just meet today's needs, but grow and adapt with your business. Are you ready to turn uncertainty into opportunity? Contact Eclipse today and discover a smarter, more adaptable future. Eclipse Automation, part of Accenture. We design and build the future. EclipseAutomation.com